Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start on shore by doing a focused visual and hands-on check of the metal boat, hull, fittings, and safety gear. You want to remove water, seal small damage, and make sure fuel and battery levels meet the trip plan. Once done, you balance the load fore and aft and secure loose items, because even small shifts affect handling. Make sure engine cowlings are fastened and the bilge pump works. This first actionable batch prevents most common launch problems. You get underway by warming the engine and checking gauges for steady readings so you understand how the boat responds. As you accelerate, use gentle, deliberate throttle changes and test steering inputs to learn turning radius and wake behavior. Once comfortable, trim the motor and tabs to level the bow and reduce spray, because proper trim increases speed and efficiency. Make sure to scan for traffic and wind shifts. Anticipating conditions keeps you in control. You finish by setting anchor with a proper scope and confirming the anchor holds, then run shutdown in a consistent sequence so systems aren't stressed. Once the boat is secure, ventilate and lock hatches and stow lines. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting logically. Verify fuel and electrical supply, then ignition and choke settings, because most stops are fuel or battery related. If you detect a leak or flooding, use the bilge pump and head to shore. Call for help if you can't control it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.